lane, over to the left, you're in the other lane. Indicate left, look over your shoulder, come off straight into the left side. You just come out, so you can feel the bike on your clutch, yeah? Bit of rev. Can you feel it once you pull forward? Yeah, I can see brake off, bit of rev, great. Perfect that one. Yeah, calm down. Bit of front brake. Watch out a bit. Bit of rev. You're panicking. Just pull off as normal. Go on, rev. Come on. You can do it. Okay, calm it down a bit. Put your feet up. That's it. Stay to the left-hand side. Look over your shoulder before you turn left. Wrong side, you plonker. Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking my mum out. Well, actually, I'm going to go and pick my mum up. She's coming to mine, and she's going to help me do a bit of decorating, but we're going to pick her up, and she's going to ride a motorbike back. This will be she's been out once with me, been out once with her boyfriend, and now she'll be coming out with me. So, I'll have her in my ear. I'll have my camera on. Let's see if she's improved. Testing. Are we good to go? Are you? Are you excited? Good. Literally just coming down my drive now, so I'll be with you for 8 o'clock. Okay, calm it down a bit. Put your feet up. That's it. Stay to the left-hand side. Yeah, but you see, your first gear then, you didn't even really use your first gear before you changed into second gear. That's why it was a bit spluttery. Mum, I think you should go on the industrial estate. Just for 5 minutes, turn left. Look over your shoulder before you turn left. Wrong side, you plonker. I just want you to ride round here for a couple of minutes, get used to it. Cancel your indicator. Just get yourself warmed up again, that's all. Go steady, go into first gear. Stop. You're panicking now. Mum, if you can't do that, you're not going out on the road. You're panicking over nothing. Put it back into first gear. This is why I said we're going on the industrial estate. No, we're just practicing. Yeah. Don't watch me. Right, select your first gear now. Right. Put your right foot up, and that's on your brake. Yeah. So you can control. Yeah, well, you should really, because like when I'm at a junction, I click my foot on my foot on my brake, and then you can forget about your front brake, and all you need to do is think about your clutch. And when you get your bite, you can take your foot off the brake, and then you can pull off when you've got your bite. So just do whatever you feel comfortable at the minute. Get your bite. Well, just do whatever you've got to do then. Pull off, but get your feet up straight away. Mum, you need to compose yourself a bit. This isn't a corner. This is a big open space. Right, pull off. I want you to go round in a circle back to where you've just started. Get your feet up. Control the bike. Look where you want the bike to go. Don't look in front of you. Look where the bike wants to go. You're not going fast enough. Well, you're in the middle of the road. Turn back round here. Look where you want the bike to go. And the bike will go. If you look in front of you, you're going to be unsteady. You've got to watch what I do here. Keep the clutch out. Keep your feet up. Well, go faster then, Mum. You look how much space you've got here. I want you to be able to just go round in a circle under control here. That's it. Look where you want the bike to go. Look, you're not looking where you want the bike to go, Mum. And keep your clutch coming out. That's it. Keep the clutch out a bit. That's it. Look over to your right. That's it. Bit more revs. I want you to be able to get control of the bike a bit. Bit more revs. Turn it round. We're not finished yet. We're not finished. Compose it. You were doing all right then. Watch me, yeah. I can just go around. Look, my head's looking over. I'm not looking in front. I'm looking over. Look, I'm going round in circles. Because I'm looking where I want the bike to go. The bike will just follow. But you need to keep the revs up. You're going like this, and you're putting your feet all over the show. You need to keep your revs up, and you need to look where you want to go. If you're looking forward and turning right, your balance is off. Even mine. So pull off. There's some idiots on the road as well, isn't there? She's got to get used to it. Yeah, a bit more revs. That's a bit more revs. That's it. That's it. Control your clutch. Calm it, calm it, calm it. You need to calm yourself down, Mum. You want to go out, you want me to take you out on the main road. I want to see you can just control the bike. It's just a bit of practice, that's all it is. Anyone can ride a bike in a straight line. You're not giving up, are you? You can do it. You're a granny on a bike. That's good. That's it. That's it. Look, you're looking forwards. Look over your shoulder. Don't worry in front of the bike. Look over your shoulder. Turn your head. Turn your head. That's it. Mum, stop the bike a minute. I need to speak to you. Stop the bike. Stop the bike. Right. I can see what you do. I can see what you're doing though. I can see what you're doing. Your body is rigid. Your body is rigid. You're looking like that, but you're not leaning your bike. So then, I seen you're looking, but your body's so stiff, you were still going forward and you were trying to chuck your bum out, weren't you, to try and turn the bike. But if you look over your shoulder, your body will lean naturally, the way that the bike wants to go. So if you keep your revs a little bit on and you keep your clutch, you can control the speed. You don't have to keep going boom, boom, boom. Keep your revs on a little bit. Control it with your clutch. Yeah? This will do you a world of good practicing this, trust me. You use this when you're pulling out of junctions and you're turning, when you went up there and you hovered over the other side of the road, it's because you're not looking over your shoulder where you want to go, you're looking forward and then going, shit. You need to look where you want the bike to go. Anybody will tell you that. Okay, so we're having a few difficulties at the minute. She's had to stop, she's had a fag. And now, we're just literally gonna take us time. She's gonna use me as the roundabout and she's gonna go round me nice and steady. I think she's thinking she's got to go around the smallest roundabout in the world, which isn't the case. And then she's thinking, oh, well, I can't get round because it's too tight. I've told her to use all this space here. All this space. There's loads of it. So let's see how she gets on. Use all the space. You're looking forwards, Mum. That's it. Keep looking over your shoulder. Look at me. That's it. That's loads better. Look over your shoulder a little bit more. That's good. Right, hold it there. See how much better was that?
No, no, because you shut the fuck up.
No, it's not because I shut the fuck up at all.
That is.
Is it? Yeah, but you're still not looking over your shoulder though. Could you do that before I started telling you what to do? No. That's because I didn't. I'm not going in front because I'm protecting you from the behind. When we're going along, before you make any turn, and you commit to any turn, make sure if you're turning left, you look over your left shoulder. I'm not talking right over, but you just check if there's anything at the side of you. And if you're turning right, you check over your right shoulder. It's called lifesavers for a reason. Well, I didn't say you were scared of dying, but I don't want you to die because you don't do something so simple. Right, back brake. We'll do then. Right, build your speed up straight away. Indicator. When we get to the lights up there, okay. Not near the end. That's it, control the middle of the road. Nice and clean here, this road, so take control of it. Go behind this truck here, because the road's shut up there anyway, so. Go on, keep going, you're slowing down way too soon before the vehicle. That's it. Can't put your feet down that fast, but you've got to bring your bike slower down. If you get caught out with that, you'll drop your bike. If you can hover your feet so you're about to come to a standstill. Okay, get straight on the throttle now. That's it. Just nice and steady, stay down in the truck because he's slowly. That's it. That's it. Do some more beats now. That's it. That's your line tail bank done. No drama. Safety here, that's it. Obviously, bear in mind, this is a giveaway if the car comes to the forward. That's it, keep going. Throttle on, throttle on. Calm it down, see what I mean with that? Yeah, calm down. Bit of front brake. Watch out a bit. Bit of rev. You're panicking. Just pull off as normal. Go on, rev. Stay calm. You can see you've got an outplay. told me when you got your bike, you said you're good at hill start. That's it. Good. Get up here. Right, this is the first one. Roll up to it. Keep going. First gear. Select first gear. Keep going. First gear. Put your foot on your back brake. Start your bike up. Put your foot on your back brake. Again, first gear. Get your bike. Foot off. First gear. Then first gear. Bit of brake. Foot short. Bit of rev. That's it. Go on. And again. Don't worry about cars. Don't worry about cars. As you would normally. As you would normally. Push off the back brake a bit. That's it. Just about composing yourself. Come over to the left hand side a little bit. Left hand side. That's the right. That's the right. You're doing that, Mum, that's going to catch you out. If you keep doing that and you're rolling forward and then you're bouncing your feet across the floor. Get the bike straight on, get your bike on the clutch. So you can feel the bike on your clutch, yeah? Bit of rev. Can you feel it once you pull forward? Yeah, I can see it there. Brake off. Brake off, bit of rev. Great. Perfect that was. So you just need to compose yourself. I'd have sat there for 10 minutes and let all them cars sit there behind us. I'm not bothered. Well, you know where I live. Oh, down the right hand side then. Take the middle of your lane, Mum. You're in the middle of the whole road. Well, no, not good. It's not good road positioning. Right hand side again. Bring your indicator up. Watch where you're going, Mum. You're drifting into the opposite side of the road there. It's very important, your road positioning. I know you're looking at the cars coming round, but you also need to be aware of where you actually located on the road. Compose yourself here, no worries. Don't get them feet down so you're forward. Go to the end, go to the line. Go to the line then. Stay in your lane. Stay in your lane. Over to the left. You're in the other lane. Indicate left. Turn your shoulder. Come on, straight into the left side. You just come out mass roundabout then. In the middle lane. You then drift in the middle of the roundabout. That was someone else's lane. Yeah? You never loop. You never loop before you move over there. If the car come round the roundabout, you come round straight in front of that car. You need to, just like you're driving a car, but you need to be aware of your road position. That could have potentially been a crash for you. Right, you know the situation, don't you? Loads of time after this car now. Right, just pull off. Loop round to the right. You donkey, why did you do that?
I don't know, just come on, it's stuck. Hold the bike. I can't get it off.
Just wait a minute, just wait. Calm down.
I don't know what I'm doing.
Put your foot, you stand down. Put it down.
Oh, okay, I was coming a lot up there.
Right, guys, you've seen it. You've seen that we went on the industrial estate. It was a disaster to start with. She had a few little hiccup moments on the way back, but we don't care what the other road users think. If they've got sit behind us and we've got weight because she's stalling or she's starting a hill start, you know, it is what it is. But I think you just got to work on road positioning a little bit. But once the road positioning's there and she gets the confidence, and I've told her not to bounce her foot across the ground when she's coming to a standstill. Hover your feet, get in your gear, hover your feet, and then put your feet down last minute. What are your thoughts on it?
I think I don't like car parks.
You don't like car parks, even though it's good for you to learn?
Yeah, I know, but I don't like it. I'm more confident off the car park than on the car park. I learned how to do one hill start, which I thought I did quite well after using the back brake, because I was panicking. I was panicking coming up the drive just because I was like, oh, it's too, no, I couldn't.
I told her, I said, when you come to the bottom of my drive, put it in first gear and just go straight up. No, please, I don't want to do it. I said, fine. So I took my bike up, walked back, come back around the corner. She's stuck halfway up the drive.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah. But we've incorporated the back brake today, doing hill starts.
Yes.
Which she wasn't doing. That's why she was stalling at junctions, because she had a clutch to think about, front brake to think about,
so I'm quite
accelerator to
now.
think about. So now she knows, foot on the back brake, get your bite, foot off the back brake.
I'm quite happy with that now, actually. And I felt a lot easier as well when I knew that I'd got stopped, like at the traffic lights and things like that, and I was knocking my gears down. I don't think I've got an issue with the gears.
I think the only problem with your gears is you're selecting your gears way too far back from where you need to stop.
See, the thing is,
it's only a 125.
Yeah, I know.
You can stop like.
Wait till I've got an 800.
You'll never have an 800 until you're confident on that.
Yeah, when? Yeah.
Well, when I've got an 800. You can literally go 10 metres away from when you need to stop and start knocking your gears down on that bike because the engine's so small.
Yeah, it's nice, isn't it? I'll kiss me bike. Kiss it. I never thought in my life that I would ride a bike. I can't even ride a push bike.
So, you're feeling it now, are you? Yeah.
You got any non-alcoholic Guinness?
No.
Well, you best go shop and get me one.
No.
Please,
You better get on your bike.
No, I'm not going to.
You better get on your bike. Your car's out the front.
Oh, yeah. I'll go in my car.
So you feel better from that then, do you?
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you feel you're not shaking now, are you? No, you're all right this time, aren't you?
Yeah, man. I'm grooving, man. I'm grooving.
She's absolutely nuts.
But would you have me any other way?
No, but I want you to be safe on,
Yeah.
on the road. That's what we want.
Let me sort with Mom. Yeah.
So yeah.
I'm doing safe.
Anyway, guys, let us know what you think about this video. Let us know if you think she's improved. Let us know good comments, bad comments. If you think she should never have got off that industrial state this morning, let us know.
I got here in one piece.
She got here in one piece. That's the main thing.
Accident.
No accidents. You're right.
I didn't drop my bike.
No.
I didn't fall off.
No. No, you did good. I think you did very good, and you could see confidence building on the way up.
Yeah.
Anyway, make sure, if you will, like, hype this video, subscribe. See you on the next one.